In 2026, you are still looking for what to use to grow out your hair. When you have a kitchen full of natural ingredients, anytime somebody comes up to me to ask me, oh, your hair is lovely, it's full, and it's very long, what did you use? My response is always going to be, go into your kitchen, use your natural ingredients. There is a whole lot of natural ingredients you can use to grow out your hair, and garlic is one of them. In fact, it is one of the best natural remedies you can use to grow out your hair. If you can watch this video and stick to this remedy, just be consistent with it. The problem most of you have is that you don't want to be consistent. You are too lazy to be consistent with something. Once you use it and you don't like the way it smells, that is the end. You will never use it again. But that is not how it works. You have to be consistent to actually see results. Most of these natural ingredients that are very effective do have some kind of smell. It is left for you to find a way to navigate it and make it manageable. In today's video, I'll be introducing fermented garlic and coffee. This combo will blow your mind. This combo will fasten your hair growth rate. It will reverse hair shedding. It will take care of any scalp infection that you're having, be it dandruff, be it itchy scalp. It will take care of it without spending a fortune. And this is the shocker. Most people are actually doing this thing very wrong. It is actually causing more hair loss. So just calm down. Let me take you through this video. I will explain everything the way you understand it. Stick around because your hair is about to change forever. Hair loss isn't just genetics or age. It's often caused by poor circulation, inflammation, and DHT, which is the hormone responsible for hair loss. But that is where garlic comes in. It is packed with allicin and sulfur, which fights bacteria and boosts blood flow. Garlic is very powerful, but we are about to take it to the next step. We are going to take a bold step by fermenting the garlic. Fermenting it means amplifying the antioxidant by times 10 for scalp repair and scalp revitalization. This remedy is something you should not joke with. And this recipe is strictly for adults. Do not use this on your baby. Alongside the fermented garlic is our coffee powder, which penetrates the hair follicle, extending your hair growth phase and blocking DHT. This combo works better than some medications. This combo will give you explosive hair growth. I am not even trying to exaggerate. Even the ancient Egypt and Chinese used garlic on their hair for centuries. Garlic alone is a beast. Studies have shown that it can promote thicker hair by improving circulation and reducing inflammation. But raw garlic, it can irritate your skin, especially those with sensitive skin, which is why we are going to ferment it. Fermented garlic is loaded with antioxidants that are times 10 more potent than the raw garlic. And this shifts your hair follicle into growth mode, which increases your hair thickness and density. So what I'm trying to say is that fermented garlic is times 10 more powerful than the regular garlic. Before we talk about the importance of this combination, let me explain to you the preparation step by step. We're going to need just 2 ingredients for this recipe: garlic and coffee powder. We are going to ferment the garlic, so we need to prepare that first before we introduce the coffee powder. Prepare your fermented garlic. You need cloves of garlic, peeled and washed. You can either blend, pound, or cut it into smaller pieces. Allowed to use only a little water or no water at all, but it is best you add a little bit of water because garlic is too harsh to be applied directly just like that. Don't need to blend it smoothly, just make sure it is in small piece so it will infuse properly. This will give you better blood flow on your scalp. Your hair roots will get more circulation and more oxygen, and it will make your hair grow faster. Fermenting the garlic also guarantees less swelling on your scalp, inflammation. It stops hair fall from stress and dandruff. It eradicates the dandruff almost immediately and keeps your scalp very clean. This fermented garlic has more antioxidant that protects your roots from oxidative stress and environmental pollution that hinders your hair from growing. This makes keratin, which is the protein your hair needs for strength and growth, so there's no way you can go wrong with this. This is no male assumption. Study actually shows that garlic can help grow out new hair in bald spots and even people with alopecia. And the fermented version is even more stronger. That is why people call it super garlic for hair and health. Here is my garlic after 48 hours. It is advisable to leave it to sit for 3 days. Here is mine after 2 days. I couldn't leave it for 3 days because I wanted to drop this video today. But if you are not in a hurry and you're making yours, ensure that you leave it for 3 days. It makes it more potent. Now that our fermented garlic is ready, it is now time for us to strain it. Use your cheesecloth to strain out the particles. Ensure that there's no particles left inside. The number one benefit of this combo is that it is a DHT blocker. DHT, a hormone that shrinks up the hair follicle, especially in pattern baldness and androgenic alopecia. The caffeine in coffee is a hero here. Studies show that coffee blocks the enzymes that makes DHT. One lab study showed that caffeine makes your hair grow faster and wider by stopping the effect of DHT. This combination works better than majority of the hair care products you buy in the shops, just that it is natural, cheaper, and fewer side effects. It is now time to add in our coffee. We are going to use this 2 sachets coffee. Use any coffee you have available to you, but ensure that it's powdered coffee. Allicin in coffee reduces inflammation that makes DHT worse. Together, this is a double protection against hormone damage. The hair grows when the roots get oxygen, nutrients. If your scalp has poor circulation, you will definitely experience slow growth and hair fall. Garlic naturally opens up your blood vessel. It provides your scalp with more blood flow and oxygen. Also reduce the aging on your scalp cells. This combo supercharges your scalp, good blood flow, stronger roots, faster hair growth phase, and a stronger strands. After a few consistent use, you will notice that your scalp becomes cleaner and feels more alive. Studies even show that caffeine prolongs the growth phase of your hair. It makes the hair follicle produce longer and wider hair. It also activates pathways. Using this combination together, it pushes your hair follicle from resting stage to growth stage, helping with hair thinning, patches, or slow growth. If your scalp is dirty or inflamed, you're going to experience hair fall. But with this combination, you don't have to worry about that. Garlic has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory property, which kills dandruff, causing fungi. It reduces itching and swelling. This gives you a cleaner, healthier environment for your hair with less breakage and shinier hair. Unlike drugs and chemicals, this combination is kitchen-based. No description. Study shows that caffeine has minimal irritation. Fermented garlic reduces smell and irritation too. So you do not have to worry about any serious side effects except you are allergic to either of the ingredients. I've gotten a complaint that after applying garlic on your hair, it dries up your hair and it makes it very itchy. Let me know in the comment section if you are also experiencing the same. What some people don't know is that there's a right and a wrong way to apply this. You do not apply this on your hair and let it sit overnight. You wash it out after an hour. Also, you do not apply this without conditioning or using an oil on your scalp. You have to put in some form of moisturization to avoid your scalp drying out. Naturally, coffee dries up the scalp, so it is normal to experience some level of dryness if you do it in the wrong way. Another important thing I would like you to know is that massage is very crucial. Your scalp has a natural barrier, which is the skin, just like any other place in your body. So not everything you put on your scalp will absorb quickly. When you massage gently after application, the rubbing and the pressure pushes the active ingredient into your skin. The allicin and the sulfur in garlic plus the caffeine in the coffee, it pushes it deeper into the skin and closer to your hair follicle. Simply means that more of the good stuff reaches your hair follicle instead of just sitting on the surface and getting washed off later. That is why some of these natural ingredients don't work for some people, because they fail to massage it in. Massaging also improves blood circulation to the scalp. Massaging increases the circulation in the right way. Study shows that the blood on the scalp flows 100% more when it is being massaged. This means extra oxygen, more nutrients to the hair follicle. This feeds your hair roots better, helping them get stronger, thicker strands, and stay longer in a growth phase. Massaging your scalp after the application of this combo supercharges the effect. It gives your scalp a double boost. Massaging also helps spread the product evenly. When you apply and leave it on the spot, without massaging, the product might just stay on that area and not get to other hair follicles, especially if your hair is thick or not parted properly. And massaging ensures that every area, front, crown, side, backs, get covered. Focus on the problem area, the edges, the thinning spots. This even coverage ensures that you have consistent results over time. Last but not the least, massaging helps remove buildup and keep your scalp healthy. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video to your loved ones who you think will need help with their hair. Thank you for watching, and I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.